Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute and spooky jack-o'-lantern. It's an easy and customizable craft that you can make in different sizes. You can make this big one, a small one, or the whole spooky set. Pop in some fairy lights or tea lights for a glowing vibe. So if you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So let's get creative, shall we?
First, take a balloon. This balloon is about 18 centimeters in diameter. Then grab an orange glass paper and cut it into half. Make two pieces of 56 centimeters by 56 centimeters. Apply clear glue around the balloon. Use a brush to spread it evenly. Place the balloon in the middle of the glass paper. Stick each corner of the glass paper on the balloon one by one to wrap it. Gently stretch and pull each side to smoothen the surface. Apply more glue if needed. Follow the shape of the balloon and make 4 flaps. Press the side flaps to make the ends stick together. Then cut out the flaps. Add glue and stick them together if you find any gaps. Take the second glass paper and repeat the same step. Make sure to spread the glue evenly around the area. Gently smoothen the surface with your fingers as you stick the glass paper. Then cut out the flaps. Smoothen any gaps or big bumps if there's any. Leave it to dry in an airy location for 1 to 2 hours. To speed up the drying process, I'm using a hair dryer for at least a minute, but make sure that it's not too hot and not too close to the balloon. Now that it is fully dry, we can now deflate the balloon. Gently press down and carefully pull out the balloon from the glass paper. Then mold the glass paper to take its shape. Then cut out the excess glass paper. And cut the zigzag pattern on the top. Using an acrylic marker, we can now draw the face of the jack-o'-lantern. add some fairy lights or tea lights inside the jack-o'-lantern. Since this is made of a lightweight material, you may want to add something heavy or a small coaster just to add some weight on it.
And there you have it, your very own DIY jack-o'-lantern. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!